Okay guys, let's make a zipper cup. So this, I used our zipper template. I actually think this was the 30 ounce. See, it goes all the way up to the top there. And now we're gonna pick a zipper. This is going to be the charm. I just figured it fit with camping and Are You Afraid of the Dark? So when you're picking your zipper, you're picking this actual color here. You wanna pick based on the zipper itself, not the cloth, the fibers, because we're going to cut that off. So pick your zipper. So once we get our zipper, grab your scissors, and we're going to trim this whole thing. So I go to where the zipper's at, and I just get my preliminary cut, I guess you can call it. And I cut as close as I can possibly get. I trim this whole thing. Trim, trim, trim. And then you do the other side. Trim it down as close as you can get it. Smaller scissors would be so much easier, but I like these scissors. There we go. And I'll go back. I'll go back when I'm done, and I will trim up some more. Ooh, that sounded good. We're just gonna cut there. See, I'm gonna go back either with my scissors or an X-Acto knife. Let's go straight again, shall we? All right. I hurt my finger, so this is really messing me up with the scissors right now. Otherwise, it wouldn't be so bad. So now, these little parts here, sorry for my crusty nail, we're gonna just chop them off. Chop, chop. When you get to the ends here, they could just come apart. Get out. Now that we have our zipper trimmed, I'm going to cut the tops and the bottom because we don't need those either, which means we also didn't need to trim them, but whatever. I don't know why I'm cutting them off last. But you see the little metal? I got right above them, right there. See that one. And then this one, I go right up to it. Trim. Oops. Yep, there it goes. Clean that up. You can apply this a whole bunch of ways. I use UV resin. That's the way I like to do it. But obviously, you can do it multiple ways. Take our zipper and unzip it. And then, well, not all the way, right? You only really want it from the bottom here up to there. And then we take it. I put my thumb here and just measure. Cool. We're going to fit. All right. I have my UV resin here in this little cup with this little brush because I took all the tops off of my UV resin. So this is just easier. My light is right here and it's on. So let's get started. I'm just gonna paint it on there just to get it on fast because your zipper is probably soaking it up just a little bit. And I'm gonna take my fingers and move my dish of UV resin out of the way. Grab our UV light and we're just gonna cure it in its spot. I'm gonna let it cure for a few more seconds, but we're getting there. We're pretty much there. Put this down again. And we'll go and tighten it up a little bit, so let us continue. You can put it on the cup itself, of course. I really like to do mine piece by piece, but it's a personal preference, I guess. Especially this part, this zipper gets really skinny. I would say most of the time I do it right on the cup. I'm gonna grab my zipper, wrap it around, watching where the zipper goes, but it tends to fall where you want it. Pat it down a little bit, stick it in there. Grab our UV light before anything decides to move. Nothing move! I just give it a little bit of light in all of its corners real quick, just to help make sure it's not gonna move on me. Yes! And then I just cure it up. And we're gonna go back and do the same exact thing on the other side. I'd say it's probably easier to put it on the cup. Follow the line. Sarah. Oh, cure it before anything decides to move. My UV resin. Everything's moving! And that's what happens when you keep your UV resin right in danger's way. Try that again! Do. Now we can go back and look for any spots that might not have gotten all the UV resin right here. And we cure the UV resin. And we can snip off any of the extra. Just me.
I don't know what Daddy is. Can you help me?
I can. Did you just walk in my craft room and toot?
Where's Daddy?
Did you just come in here and toot in my craft room?
I look everywhere for Daddy.
I doubt it. He's not in here. Oh, I'm coming out in a minute anyway. Our zipper is on.